Doing today, Brian, back with another bone update. All right, I got an article for you guys. If it doesn't scream bullishness, then I don't know what does. This thing is getting mass adoption here. If we go over here, the Times tabloid put this out 17 hours ago. Shib News: Shibarium sees massive adoption with over 10 million wallets and 331,000 bones staked. Or, yeah, that's pretty huge. Let's go through here. Shib's Layer 2 scaling solutions, Shibarium, has experienced an unprecedented surge in adoption, attracting over 10 million wallets and 331,258 staked bone tokens. Despite initial skepticism and challenges, the project has garnered significant attention within the crypto community. Shiba Inu official praises Shibarium adoption, acknowledges mistakes. Lucy, a prominent Shiba Inu development team, recently highlighted the remarkable success of Shibarium and candidly admitted that the development team had underestimated its adoption rate. The enthusiastic response from Shiba Inu investors exceeded all expectations and momentarily overwhelmed the network's capacity. Lucy noted that the team had misjudged the level of interest within the Shiba Inu ecosystem, particularly due to Shibarium's promised benefits of efficiency and low-cost transactions. They put out a tweet that said, "Let's be honest, my bone, shib, and leash dropped a lot, just like the whole market. Was I unhappy with Satoshi Kusama? No, they kept their promises, but they made one mistake. They didn't understand how much the Shib army wanted to be on Shibarium." I'm glad they, and it goes on there, but that's pretty awesome. There is 7,569,000 bone, total stake 331,000. The tremendous engagement from users temporarily overwhelmed Shibarium, necessitating a pause in its operations. Within a span of 30 minutes, more than 160 million compute units were recorded on the Layer 2 network. Wow. Within a span of a half hour, 160 million compute units were recorded on the Layer 2 network. Moreover, 600,000 bone tokens and 1,000 ETH tokens were deposited within 15 minutes. Wow. Significantly surpassing the team's projection. These figures clearly indicate the level of interest and demand for Shibarium among the Shiba Inu community. Staked bone tokens and Shibarium wallet growth. Despite recent concerns surrounding Shibarium, staked bone tokens have witnessed an increase. According to a snapshot shared by a top influencer, a staggering 331,000 bone tokens were staked on Shibarium at the time of the update. Additionally, exploratory data from Shibarium designated Explorer Puppy Scan revealed that the number of wallets connected to Shibarium reached a milestone of 10.5 million at press time. Wow, that is unbelievable. Upholding promises and future outlook. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. So if that doesn't scream bullishness, I don't know what does. That's what you want is adoption, okay? And obviously, that's pretty crazy. They have an article over here. Shibarium is in private mode as the Shiba Inu team intensifies security measures ahead of the public relaunch. So that's pretty huge. When you see a mass adoption like that, that's crazy. And you can see some buyers coming in here. There's 582,000 bone bought today. So you can see some interest coming in here now. All right, we've held this level I talked about yesterday. If you watched yesterday's video, I said would more than likely bounce around in here for a while. Look what's happening. That's exactly what's happening. It's bouncing around in here a little bit. Okay, not making any major lower lows here, though. We are this trajectory is heading upwards here. Okay, the 1 hour RSI. Look at it turning right back up. Let me gotta zoom in to see this, but you see that stochastic flipping back up. The 4 hour still bullish. Well, no, it's just bear 76.33 and 76.55. 8 hour. Still heading up, 89 and an 80. Look how low we are down here, 39. 12, 56, it's bullish. Still heading up once again at a 37 down there. So you know, if we get a pop here, it could be a pretty decent one. And we got that daily still heading up. You know, 17 and a 13. So all the technicals look all right. Let's look at the moving averages real quick. Let's put the 50 and the 200 on here. See where we're at with them. All right. Wow. Well, that would be called a golden cross. Okay, when the 50 crosses up over the 200, that's a golden cross. Okay, that happened on August 5th. You can see that actually crossed right when we topped out here. Okay, but we haven't had no bearish cross yet. These are obviously the trajectory of these. This one's coming out this way. This one's heading this way. These aren't even close to crossing back the other way yet. So that's good to see. You got your 50 above your 200. That's what you want. You don't want it the other way around. You don't want this green one on top of the red. That's bearish. All right, you can see when we got our crossover over here, we were about right in this price range. Okay, so day-wise, after the cross to the top of the price action was it 27 days, about a month. Okay, this one here, this cross to the, if we went out 27 days, you know, you'd still have some time left on that for sure. All right, so you know, if you were looking at time wise to when we had the golden cross to the top of the price range, so things are looking fine with this thing. All right, don't as long as it holds that $1.09, I believe we're in pretty decent shape. You know, I've gone over why I say that. You know, yeah, we'll save that for tomorrow's video. There, well, there we go. It popped in there, but you can see, you know, right back through here. This is on the weekly price chart. Okay, this $1.09, and actually it could be pulled down even a hair further, but it's been a major area of support through here. Okay, you can see obviously major resistance here. It couldn't break through it. Major resistance over here, it couldn't bust through it. It was major support through this range. Support here, and it's been support here so far. So pretty massive area. Okay, we don't want to lose that area. Don't want to lose that $1.09. All right, then we could end up coming down to these bottom areas. I'm not saying we'd break out of this wedge. I believe this wedge, even if we did come down here, I believe it's going to hold. All right, the only logical thing would be to break to the upside. All right, I believe once this Shibarium launches successfully and they see everything's running right, that's going to bring a lot more people into staking in there and a lot more interest in it. So, all right, guys, thank you very, very much. Please hit the like and subscribe. Sign up for a level 3 and learn how to trade the market. You know, level 3 membership in there. So, all right, thanks a lot. Have a great day, everybody.